Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something really spectacular, guys. This is the Shirogorov Custom Division F5 Silk that I've got here for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check Fablades.com if you're in the market for toys or knives. And you know what, Fablades on Instagram. You can check some pictures. Let's see. First of all, how big is this boy? Close to 4 inches for the cutting edge and close to 5 inches for the handle, close to 9 inches for the overall length. This is a big boy. It's a full-size knife. It is one of my favorite Shirogorov custom division ever made. This is the F5 Silk. There's 30 made of these. It's a very limited production. It is a gorgeous knife. It's really hard to get. I have to say a big thanks to my buddy Clark because he renounced to own this gem. This is a fantastic one for many, many reasons, but let's check it out. Titanium frame lock, custom division. It's sporting all the goods, all the good stuff that custom division has used, is made available for the latest iterations of the production lines, transformed, let's say, upgraded to custom division. Like this is the base model. It would be like an F95, for example. Something like this from the production. Like this is the F95 Zero, so it's the latest iteration of the F95. But you can see that the outline is the same. Of course, the milling is different. You get the general outline for the handle, and of course you get a frame lock. The other would be the F3, which would be like a liner lock, but this is a frame lock, and this is the F5. So this is F95, same blade size, but it's very different, of course. This is a custom division, so it has a lot of bells and whistles, like the 3D machining on the scales. This crazy fine milling is just like insanely beautiful. The pivot collar, which are zirconium. The back spacer is also zirconium. The fact that you have some internal milling, like gorgeously done. You have single row roller bearings. You have Vanax 37 steel. A beautiful look at the blade. I mean, look at the jimping. Look at every detail is ridiculous on this one. Hidden hardware pocket clip, tip up carry only, pretty much like deep carry. I mean, this much is gonna stick out. It's a gorgeous one, guys. And weighs how much? Let's see. This is probably 4.2. I don't know. Let's check it out. It's going to be 4.57, so a little bit more than I was expecting, but still, it's a gorgeous one. It's great. Ergo, sound, look, feel. The action is, it's ridiculous. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. I'm going to chat about this a little bit more in depth, but thanks for watching, and stay tuned.